Buenos dias a todos! Welcome to the 13th episode of the PMC Live Podcast, proudly brought to you by Premier Medical Center Zamboanga in collaboration with Zamboanga Guide Team. I am your host, Badi, and yes, we are streaming live right now on Facebook. Please do like and follow our pages, and whether you're joining us from work, at home, or maybe on a quick break, thank you for spending your Saturday noon with us. Before we dive into our topic for today, please sit back, relax, and watch the short video clip that is vital for our safety. Please watch this.
Problem and economic problem itong road traffic injuries.
Every death sa road crash is preventable. Yung prescription of road safety experts is hindi lang yung parties involved in a crash ang responsible. Importante rin yung infrastructure, yung roads, importante rin yung vehicles, importante rin yung mga regulations that we have for licensing, for penalties. Lahat na ito, this is what creates what we call yung safe system approach. Kasama rin dyan yung post-crash response. These make a system that will prevent deaths from road crashes. This is one of the major causes of mortality of death in this country. And when you compare nung Typhoon Yolanda had about 7,000 deaths. Every year we are experiencing more than a Typhoon Yolanda from road crashes.
So very important yung mga measures natin na pagsuot ng helmet, karamihan nung namamatay hindi naka-helmet, pagsuot ng seatbelt at maglalakad ka sa tamang lugar sa mga ating mga pedestrian. Pero dapat mag-change yan, dapat should be a culture of safety and behavior talaga.
Road safety as part of the 8 priority public health outcomes of the Department of Health. Our strategy includes strengthening multi-sectoral collaboration with government agencies, both local government units and civil society organizations. We need to act with enhancing road safety governance. We need to promote safe walking and cycling, separating the vehicles from the pedestrians and the cyclists. So we need to improve this infrastructure. We want to institutionalize National Bike to Work Day. Every November, we recommend that people start to bike because if more people bike, the four-wheeler drivers will respect them.
Culture of safety and behavior.
Road safety as part of the 8 priority public health outcomes of the department. Our strategy includes strengthening multi-sectoral collaboration with government agencies, local government units, and civil society. Road safety governance. We need to promote safe walking and cycling, separating the vehicles from the pedestrians and the cyclists. So we need to improve this infrastructure. We want to institutionalize National Bike to Work Day. Every November, we recommend that people start to bike because if more people bike, the four-wheeler drivers will respect.
There you have it. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects drivers, riders, commuters, and a lot of people on a daily basis. This is the real talk to road and traffic safety. Buenos dias a todos. ¿Qué tal ustedes sábado? Sabayo, on our way to work or on our way to school, and even during our mga leisure activities, unong gayod, hindi kita ta pwede ulbida pirmi, traffic. Diba? So we always complain about it. We always talk about it. But what can we do about it? So, ewan sa kita ay diskuti este dia together with our esteemed guests. So whether you're a driver, passenger, or commuter, road safety impacts us all. Every year, thousands of accidents occur that could have been prevented through awareness, discipline, and responsible behavior on the road. Just recently, siya pa daw sa Desmira, yan viral akel container van yakay alilang along Giwan. And syempre, as a public or for the public awareness. Yan, actually, yan, feature Kel in various mga medias. And today, we are also discussing such. And Estadia in this episode will be debunking common and road safety myths, answering your most asked questions, and sharing practical tips to make our roads safer. Especially here in the Philippines, where busy streets and unpredictable traffic make extra caution essential. Don't forget to drop your questions in the comments. We'll try to answer as many as we can during this show and help everyone become safer, more responsible road user. So joining us for today's live podcast, let me introduce our first guest. Anante, during our lunch, ang kwento-kwento na kami, and yasabiyo kay Ele Gale is un retired police. And he is the chief traffic na Santa Maria before, and also designated as the traffic supervisor, and now the traffic operations 3 of traffic management unit from our city administrative office. We're honored to have someone who plays a vital role in maintaining order and safety in our roads, a man known for his dedication, discipline, and strong commitment to public service. He's one of the frontliners who ensures that traffic rules are enforced and that every motorist and pedestrian can travel safely and smoothly. Kung baga LL mga takontrol ako mga kamote drivers and riders. Serving with excellence and commitment as Traffic Officer 3, let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Arnulfo Dagalea Toribio. Yan. Hello, sir. Aquí to, sir, de mio costal. ¿Qué tal, sir?
Muchas gracias.
Ayan. Okay, takia si sir.
Muchas gracias, ma'am, por la invitación que ha dado tú conmigo este presente momento.
Ay, ben Chabacano gayon. Aquellos mga OG ka Chabacano. Pensaba yung on, di mo Chabacano, mapapalaban si Buddy for today na Chabacano. Ayan, takipauno pa gayon. Tabi na yung mas uno taman des na Chabacano. Doon pressure yaman iyo for today. Ayan, so baka siya yung mga words kay abla na hindi kat bien ondo Chabacano or mali. So just please bear with me. Kaya ay pa mother tongue during the amon time. So our next guest, our public health leader with over 3 decades of experience in government service. He served as chief of hospital in various key institutions across Mindanao, including Zamboanga City Medical Center, where he led from 2003 to 2018. From 2020 to 2022, he also served as Assistant Secretary of Health at the Department of Health. Currently, he is the chairman of the board of Premier Medical Center. Let's all welcome. Chanabes lang kat esta taman-taman interview, so I am very honored to have him. Let's welcome Dr. Romeo A. Ong. Ayan. Makita, sir. Ayan. O, diba? Araw-araw pa lang kung tasintiyo pressured gayon, as in. And we will also be joined by the mga uban di Sir Dagalea Toribio, el mga Traffic Aid Field Supervisor de Suyu. Let's call Sir William Pagayonan and Sir Johari Olmilio. Ayan. Doon kami na yun. Doon sila mga Chabacano. Ayan. Prinsipya kita aki kun sir. Sir, de onde ito?
Actualmente, el de mío presente residencia de Mercedes.
Mercedes. Sir, kakalito alina sa Dick Mosque. Ayan. Cuando to yan start este that yung new role?
Este nuevo trabajo que a principio del octubre 3, 2025.
Ah, okay. Nuevo lang ngayon.
Sí.
Oh, congratulations on your new role, sir. How are you coping so far? Dolor ba de cabeza or keri-keri lang?
Keri-keri lang, ma'am, kay actualmente, el de mío trabajo como na servisyo pa ka police, un traffic supervisor, traffic enforcer. So, aquel tiempo, yan retired yo, pwede habla este aura, que no hay klase period, kama lang. So, ya continua lang yung sentence, Sara.
Kumbaga, this is just a continuation of what you have been serving for. It's just that it's a different role this time, diba? Ayan, akita man kundok. Ayan, chinibes lang sa teman naman interview, pero yung adat lang kumiga dante, tama na tuman TikTok. Ana, so sabi ko ustedes man ready, Dok, de donde ito?
Of course, de Zamboanga también. Aquí da grande, aquí na sa Zamboanga. Antes, takeda kami nakiparte donde na paniran tabla sila. When I was Jutay, kung pala alyan na sa parte. Después, kambya kami na Kamanchili Drive. And presente ara takiyo na pasunahan ka takeda.
How is the traffic different during your younger years and now?
Siyempre, antes 10 lang gente, ta kami na nakamino. Ara milyon niya kita.
As in.
Bien kuan niya kayo. Antes kalesa lang kami.
Oh, ¿cuánto pa lang el pasaje?
Sabi ko kwanto.
Peseta.
Chinebes libre lang si Conose.
O, diba? So that's the difference. Si Doc Ong is one of those who have witnessed how far we have come, not just with the developments, but also with our traffic situation. Akita man kita na di atong dos gentlemen. De on naman to, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, kamusta ustedes? Mama di San Roque o Pasay, si.
Pasay, San Roque. And
Yes.
aki ba ito natibo na Zamboanga?
Yes, Zamboanga ka ma'am yan nasa si.
So ito, kwando bata pa to versus now, how far ya ba el traffic situation del Zamboanga City?
Si actually ma'am, akil bata pa yun, menos el traffic. So el daton road, maintain lang syempre. El daton mga service, aumenta anyo kun anyo ma'am.
Ayun.
Yes.
So, amo ka difference then and now. Si Sir tambien. Sir, de donde tú and natibo ba to de Zamboanga?
Si ma'am, actualmente aquí yun na ma'am, na Camino Nuevo lang ma'am na na Zamboanga City.
Camino Nuevo. De antes, otro pa sa nombre, no?
Canelar, also known as Canelar ma'am.
Ayan. So, natibo ka to de aki.
Si ma'am,
So,
aquí, ma'am.
del bata pa to versus now, lejos siya ba traffic situation?
Pwede ka habla mas ka del bata pa yung may pa ma'am, hindi pa habla duele el cabeza ng ma'am, si anda eskwela.
Yes, let me just share. Cuando entra pa yung eskwela na Western Mindanao State University, I can get to my school in 10 to 15 minutes. Aura, di mo yung anak entra tayo eskwela nearby, hindi kaya, debe asaleele at least 1 hour ahead of time. Kasi I live 12 kilometers away from the city. Maasin pa yo, so medyo lehos-lehos sa LS. Yat pa traffic na. Alion de Gusu, ni maya gayot. Pag-asa keda valedictorian. Mga bata pa naman ansina. So now, we've got to know our guests. Dia, ay pregunta kita kanila. Can you give us a brief overview of the current road and traffic situation in the Philippines or in Zamboanga City? Kung ba sitwasyon di aton?
Okay, ma'am. Talking about road safety in Zamboanga City, so there is something to do. The first we must consider as the vehicles. So the vehicles must be properly equipped. The vehicle must be properly maintained in good condition. And the owner of that motor vehicle and the driver must be responsible for the check-up to maintain the motor vehicle always in good condition.
Ayun, dapat gayud well-maintained. So there are a lot of factors affecting what is happening in our city right now. Usually kasi what we always do is we just complain without knowing what is causing this situation and how we can prevent it. So, sa mga road accidents na Zamboanga City, is it increasing or decreasing? Tasubi ba or tameno raman?
Based on the statistics shows, as we have discussed earlier, the road crash incident or vehicular accident is increasing.
Increasing at gali. So, 2024 statistics compared to previous years in terms of accident volume and fatalities, tasubi. Okay. And, kosa ba ang mga causes attributing to these accidents in 2024, sir? Kosa ba ang mga cause de ese?
So the factors to consider why traffic accident occurs, there are 3 factors to consider. Number 1 is vehicles defects. Number 2 is driver defects. And number 3 is road defects.
Ayun. So, tiyan nakita 3 factors to consider when it comes to these accidents. So, how does Zamboanga City compare to other major cities in terms of traffic flow and road safety?
Actually, in Zamboanga City, we are helping each other between the Traffic Management Unit and the Zamboanga City Police Office. We are manning and conducting traffic for the proper, efficient, and effective free flow of traffic.
Okay. So, di aton tamen hospital side, Doc. Kosa ba tan play a role el hospital when it comes to these accidents?
Well, siya, we used this in the nantes ko so yabla si Secretary Herbosa. There are 13,000 deaths due to traffic accidents per year.
Per year.
And I think amo yabla si Sir Arnulfo, it's increasing hindi tabaha. And we are concerned because hindi pwede sila Arnulfo lang man-solve el problema.
Yes.
It has to be, como antes na COVID kita
It
has to be the whole of government approach.
Yes.
So whether you're na health, whether talito na city government, or whether you're just a bystander o talito na community, you need to help each other para solba sa traffic. Kasi hindi sila pwede masolba solo-solo. Hindi kami pwede solba el mga
on our own.
biktima tabi kina.
Yes.
We need to have a whole of government approach.
Ayon. Among the road user groups like motorcycles, cars, trucks, tricycles, kosa ba el pinaka-peer me involved gayud na serious accidents and fatalities, sir?
Usually, two-wheels vehicle and motorcycle.
Motor gayud. Actually, pwede kita pasa na mga kamino, amo gayud sa usual, it's either motorcycle with car, motorcycle with truck, motorcycle kun motorcycle, motorcycle with person, tatrabesa, diba? Kasi siguro mas hindi stable, tama ba, sir?
One thing, pwede kita abla, not stable. However, ma'am, as I have said earlier, that factors to consider, ma'am, the drivers, the vehicles, and the road.
So, what are the most common causes of road accidents in the Philippines today? Kosa ba common gatara?
Motorcycle accident.
Motorcycle accidents. And how do time of day, weather, or road type or other environmental factors affect these accidents? Mas prone ba na aksidente si bagyo, or how does it affect? Kosa usually ang mga reports ko no ustedes. Ese ba si mga kalamidad mas manada ba ta aksidenta?
One of the factors to consider if there is a natural calamities like typhoon or flash flood, because the road or the pavement became slippery.
Ayun. Mas takeda ka sila malandog. Oo. Are there any particular time of the day na mas frequent el aksidente? Aga ba? De noche ba? Kwando ka sa usually? Yan. Aki di aton mga ayuda ka naton man answer kay sila el tari CB el mga correct ba sir?
Yes,
mga report.
Si,
so ko sa usually
mostly,
sir?
Mostly ma'am, dinoche ma'am.
Dinoche.
Mga kabataan daton siguro man enjoy sa party and then toma borracho and then tabolbe. Amol coast and manada tan road kasi.
And usually amo yo ta pwede mira tamen sa tabolbe yo sir akal
yes,
mga bata tan motor kabar kumutbil alegregat sila tas sila bengkore kabar no helmet amo el mga causes no.
Yes, ma'am.
So
correct.
amo gali sa de noche so dapat el mga as what Dr. Ong mentioned it's a collaborative effort. Si itu nana to or tata to check ya tamen to on the to yung mga anak at those time of the day. Ayan. So next, ba kita, do poor road conditions or lack of proper signage also play a major role in accidents? Ese mga malo. Yes.
I can put it siguro na talya magita 4 E's.
Okay.
Letter A, eco. Number 1 is tabla sila equipment. So, meaning to say, dapat tiyan proper equipment na road, no? Na kamino, meaning tiyan traffic signaling system, tali road signs, meaning tabla no left turn, no right turn, no parking aquí. Después, el 1E is education. We have to educate kanel mga gente, no? Na si alito pasa, si man kwanto ki, kuwi kami contigo. Porque man, let's say na abroad, let's say na America, for example, tiene mga miedo mga gente man bayola el trapiko. Kaya bien caro, kaya pero si man overspeeding to mga $300-400
sí.
Kaya pero $400 times 58 to, hindi 20-15 mil to pagan,
So,
multa
tiene
lang.
sila miedo man.
Tiene sila miedo. Plus the fact that, and the last is, is enforcement. You really have to enforce traffic rules and regulations. Hindi pwede, well, everyday tali yung nakamino, pwede yung mira. No left turn, tabira lang. Maneha motor, no helmet. Después, imbesto ko bilog lang, chinebes, hasta 4. Alegre kat gani chinebes mga bisita di mio from abroad. Tal, saka kat sila letrato.
Picture,
no.
sí.
Actually, hapon siya, un gente lang siya, pwede maneha ng motor. Pero aki ka nato, hasta 4, bata pa.
Amo.
So, meaning to say, sometimes, mga gente, mga kamaneha, okay lang pansin. Hindi man kumikot akuhi.
Sí, amo. So, stricter laws,
dapat.
proper enforcement of it,
enforcement.
and syempre the right equipment.
The right equipment, tiene.
So,
después siguro, engineering, no? Tablayo, equipment and engineering. Meaning to say, el camino de aton, tiene the proper lining. Tiene road markings, the proper road markings. Like, for example lang, pasakita na di aton bypass road.
sí.
It's very dangerous at night.
Hindi kadyo tapasalidok na at night.
Ikol kita. Kasi, ben skuro. Después, nung sabi to, doon ba yung lugar? Right ba, left turn. So, this boils down to, I think, 15 or 20 years ago, when Republic Act 87-94 Bakel, meaning to say motor vehicles users charge. Every time man register kita diaton mga behikulo na LTO, practically all of this goes to the road users, right? For the improvement del atong kamino. And this money goes to the DPWH. Sila implement, especially national roads.
Ayun.
National roads dapat. And I think the bypass road is a national road.
Yes, it is.
So dapat DPWH should look into that.
So, kosa ba ang mga current laws that we have or ordinances in place to promote road safety and to reduce accidents and fatalities? Kosa ba ustedes right now taase para prevenir el mga aksidentes na kamino?
Okay, ma'am. So, in traffic management, there are 3 E's. The letter E, the traffic enforcement, the traffic engineering, and the traffic education.
Okay.
So, I will...
So, otro taman sel in charge?
Si.
Okay.
So, on our part, we are more on traffic enforcement. Because we are the one who enforce all laws, rules, and regulation pertaining to traffic. Okay, let's go to traffic education. So, our primary agency to concern about the education is the Land Transportation Office.
Kaya before to
educate driver.
Dito yung lisensya, siya nagayod sa proper training and also, diba, ta-check ya pa si sabi ba to mga signs.
Yes. And the last is the traffic engineering.
Okay.
To oversee the situation of the roads and even avenues by placing signages, like for example, as what doctor says, no left turn, no right turn, slow down, accident-prone area. So it is the agency concern, which is the traffic engineering.
So na ustedes ahensya, pakilaya ba ustedes specialmente kay na enforcement man ustedes? So how do you ensure that there is strict enforcement of traffic rules and regulations? Pakilaya ba sitan assign ba sa kita specific people? Este akitu. Tiyan ba si Ancina?
Yes, ma'am. Kada mon posting, ma'am, actually na kamis, ma'am, meto si barrio na po ni kami ara.
Si
kay mostly mga drivers, ma'am, tang counterflow kasi sila.
So si onde ito tamira usually a problem ala to tapone el ano.
Yes, ma'am. Tapone kami di uno personnel para mira para may kan mang counterflow, ma'am.
Ayun.
May personnel, ma'am, na minatal counterflow.
Si,
May manatagatan ng
as
counter.
in. So, how effective have enforcement measures been? As what you've mentioned, si Talyal enforcer, amo lang tan follow. Pero si Nuway, tan counterflow sila. So, it all boils down, hindi taman ese na enforcer lang. Diba? El hende tamen, dapat hindi ustedes duro kabesa. Diba? Yes. Chenebes, nanoyo po de mira. Na, tarda yato akita pasar, diba? To sabi, diba? So, again, success del whatever is being implemented, hindi sa kada successful with just the enforcers, with just the hospitals, with the government, but it also needs your cooperation. Ayan. Kasi, reklamo tuto kay traffic, pero ito galal cause the traffic, kay pirmi tutang counterflow. Diba? So, amo hindi you cannot point a finger on someone, kay si ito mismo, hindi tuta krekunal di aton laws and regulations. So, tiyan na ba kita mga programa or how does coordination between local government units, LTO and PNP help in enforcing traffic safety? Tiyan na ba sa ustedes como, ito este ase. Tiyan na sa Ancina, diba? So, tiyan na sa in place ya. So, implementation niya lang gayod after. So, now, how can communities and schools help raise awareness about traffic discipline? Kosa ba daw ustedes call for action ng mga schools, ng mga estudyante, ng mga communities para pwede kami kung ustedes ayuda in enforcing these laws?
Actually, ma'am, when it comes to school for road safety program, the PCR, the police community relation in every station there is, their duties is to drive information, to give education to the school which is under their jurisdiction. When I was the chief traffic in PS7 Santa Maria, I together with PO3 Rubio, the PCR policeman, police woman, tanda kami ng mga eskwela, na mga driver abal-abal, tang coordinate kami na barangay, tadali kami seminar about road safety.
That's nice. Oo, kasi most of the time, amo mga sa sila, tankos traffic, mga nahabal, el aura tamen, sir, ese mga e-bikes. Kilaya ba setan play role in traffic tamen? Kay noy man sa sila mga lisensya. Diba? So, siya naman itong mga takida problema because of these e-bikes that are coming in our city.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, e-bike, ma'am. Bawal sila ko rin na highway. Yes, ma'am.
Yun. Pero hindi. Tapos lang yung siyempre mira na highway. No, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Takuwi kami mga kanila, ma'am.
Okay. So, again kasi baka na dos tedes norm, tapos dos tedes mira, ay, okay naman si e-bike. Ablaga na sila, pwede lang daw gani kore maskin na highway. So, again, hindi po allowed e-bikes na highway. Ayan. So, para clear lang kita.
Na barangay road.
Na barangay road lang. Ayan. So, what's your message to the public about practicing road discipline and safety every day, sir?
Mio, apelo kol mga bibientes de Zamboanga City, especialmente mga cercanos barangay, mga abal-abal driver or talama kita sa que se llama road users. So, debe tiene kita road courtesy. Road courtesy tali al disiplina ta entra, el di aton pagka-entendimiento con el carátula, kay tiene gente, mas kinta mira no left turn, akal batabla apathy towards con el signages. Tapasa lang kumunuay, maskin tiene adelante nombre, no parking, tapara lang syempre. So debe tiene kat kita road courtesy. El disiplina ta start kanaton.
That's true. Sir, ito taligat ito na mismo area on the Tanhapel Bakbakan. What is your appeal to our viewing public?
Manano lang kalamon, ma'am, sa baste.
Coordinate and coopera, yes.
Coordinate na kosa lang kasi para na buen man tamen kel ma'am na todo.
And numa ustedes pasa na caliente cabeza. Kasi ali kita hindi man intindihan, no? Todo sa tapo nila masamang kwento. Basta taas lang el the to you way of kosa kayot dapat, hindi makunti ko tamang kuhi. Ayan.
Tupaw,
Ito
ma'am.
sir, kasi ito yung apela na di aton viewing public.
Yes, ma'am. Na driver, todo sa driver, ma'am. Before sila manaya dila mga bihikulo, dapat man-check sila anay dila mga service, ma'am.
Yes.
Si el mga single motor, dapat man-check sila dila mga helmet, proper helmet, and then dila register registration del motor, and then driver license, ma'am. Before sila man-drive na highway, ma'am.
Yes. So, always practice safety. Si ano tamen, Doc Ong. Kasi ito yung apela tamen na di aton local government and also all of those sangay de gobyerno enforcing our traffic rules and safety. As a hospital,
Yeah,
siguro.
as a hospital, the reason why ano kami kaneste specific topics, simply because na although un anyo pa lang kami no in operational hospital, yet tamira kita halos every day chene ta entra na emergency room, either it's a minor injury or a major injury
one.
na due to traffic accidents. So el apelo yan lang is si tamaneha to be sure na chene to seat belt, and si na motorcycle tamen usa to the right type of helmet.
Yes.
Kasi hindi lang kel klase helmet, kasi yot pirmi gacho tamira kung kuan si Gabgo del MMDA akel el Special Operations
Si.
Group LL head mira to maskin akel lang gani nutshell helmet takuhi sila,
Takuhi, yes.
tamira sila.
Yes.
So I mean you have to wear the proper type of helmets, no. Then si taman to motorcycle si man relax lang
Si.
nung maapura kay igual kita todo ta apura.
Correct. Siya diba kasi
Tinabas talya to unay ha to
kurang at limang suksok.
el motor man suksok, relax lang para hindi kita man aksidente.
Yes.
Siguro akil lang el apelo diamon.
Yes, ayan. So to our viewing public, again, all of these rules and regulations in place wouldn't be successful without your cooperation and help. So, ustedes también, on your end, you have to also do your part. So, ya pregunta usted anante contigo, sir. As a citizen, si Tamira kami, mga example, mga violations, number one, or maybe accidents in the road, what can we do to help you guys do your job?
Reporta dayon ma'am el mga insidente para pwede toma action diretso el mga concerne ayon siya como especialmente kami el mga pulis na ayudahan kami a uno y otro when it comes yan el mga aksidente vehicular or tiene ken ta commit violation pertaining to traffic tan ayudahan kami a uno y otro para rehero el solva el problema.
Yes, ayan. And numa ustedes también como ya puede ustedes mira, puede ustedes hacer something, no, ipakat ustedes hacer simply calling 911 or si chane ustedes makakonose na designated area, that would come a long way, especialmente siya pwede ustedes mira unconscious el driver or what, diba? You could have saved a life, or pwede naman ustedes actually man call akin na hotline the Premier Medical Center. We also have ways and means to help the community, especially during emergency situations. Diyan na kami ambulansya on call. I usually see it downstairs. So, sinasasita ustedes ayuda, a Premier Medical Center is always here to also help you, especially if nearby. Ayan. So, bien, valid atong discussion. Now, we will aki siguro kung pati kundok. Ayan. Siya nakita myth or fact. Ayan. So, I lay out some statements. All you need to do is just flash your answer, si myth, bale, or fact. Okay? Super lang ang answer. So, sige. First statement. Bien bueno yung maneha. I am a good driver. Hindi ayo necesita usa seatbelt or helmet. Myth or fact?
Repeat it ulit.
So, bien bueno yayo maneha. Hindi ayo necesita usa seatbelt or helmet. Myth or fact?
Hindi sa de veras.
Okay. Man mic to. Ayan.
Myth ma'am, hindi sa de veras. Kaya el de veras debe follow the rules and regulations.
Yes.
of
Si good
traffic.
driver gad to debit. Hindi to kamot. Ay, kamot. Next. accidents only happen to reckless driver. Myth or fact?
I can answer in two situations. Sometimes, a reckless accident always leads to vehicular accident. But sometimes, akal ba, unintended.
Yes. Maskin pa bueno tumaneha si El de Tuyo kalaban, yung sa
Camino.
Contigo Banga or El
Camino.
Camino. Hindi taman to syempre safe. Ayan. Next, taman kita. Many drivers ignore the need to maintain their signal lights regularly. Myth or fact?
Facts, ma'am. Based on our observation. De veras, manada. Man-checkpoint kami or at saka kami din noche kung mga ay nuevo lang kita malo el headlight. Ay nuevo lang kita pero hindi kel de verasan.
Si, yatar kel. May lang pasen para kami.
Kene bulak pa. Unos lang el headlight.
Akin bet amamalung niya gayon si de noche. Ayan. So, Aura, before we end our discussion, we know many of our viewers today may be parents, guardians, or even young adults who are starting to feel concerned, especially with the recent rise in road accidents, changing weather conditions, or simply the fact that the holiday travel season is here again. So whether it's preparing ourselves by practicing safe driving habits, protecting our loved ones by avoiding distractions and wearing seatbelts, or making sure our communities are ready to respond in cases of emergencies, road and traffic safety is something we all need to take seriously. So, Aura, siya na yung mga question on a lighter note. Sa prinsipyo, kikun, sir, man-answer lang ito. Kumusta? Fast talk with buddy. So, sir, water or soft drinks?
Water, ma'am.
Water. Pero lego, si kaliente, soft drinks niya. Sir, walk or run?
Walk, ma'am.
Walk lang, no?
Yes,
Kahit
ma'am.
adulal tuhod.
Yun na kaya ko rin, ma'am. Yun na kaya.
Sir, Anli Samgyup or Anli Rice?
Only rice.
Anli Rice. Si Doc, one health tip you live by?
One health tip. Well, kasi habla si Dr. Jimena anoche, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables.
Amo gani, mira ganyo anante, tamira iyo como kere tamen yung ansina. Ayan. Next. Mas okay ba ang hot shower or cold shower?
Hot shower, ma'am.
Hot shower. Hot shower daw. Can ba Mrs. Deste? Ayan. Instant noodles or instant coffee?
Instant noodles, ma'am.
Ayan. Do amo kayo basta noy maya kayo por donde pecha de peligro ya, sir, no?
Alright, no, yes, ma'am.
Ayan. Next. First thing you do in the morning, sir?
Thanks God for giving a new life.
Sabi ba, Osta, that's a fun fact. Lay ministers na si sir na Mercedes Parish Church. O si Doc Tamen, kung hindi ka naging doktor, ano ka ngayon?
Pilot.
Ha? O, di ba? Pwede pa man, Doc. Para ano kita akal taliban mga pasyente na ano? air ambulance. Shout out Cap Boyet. Ayan. So, it has been a fun live, diba? Ayan, yung pwede kita diskuti road safety, real talk na di aton mga bisinos, na di aton mga viewers. So, numa ustedes, pwede lang si numansina. So we have to follow the rules. And thank you so much to our guests for sharing our insights and expertise. If you missed any part of this episode, don't worry. The replay is available na di aton YouTube channel. Chanyagat po YouTube channel o Premier Medical Center. So pwede ustedes mira ulit este mga videos. Kahit delete este si Facebook after 30 days ba or 90 days. So don't forget to follow Premier Medical Center Zamboanga and Zamboanga Guide for more health content and medical services updates. First time ba ito yung enta kina Premier, sir?
First time, ma'am.
Gusto na ito yung reaction?
Bien bonito, ma'am.
Ito, sir.
First time tayo, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Mas grande man tayo hospital na Mirayo.
Ito, sir. First time ba ito yung?
Si first time tamen. Alegre kay limpieza, bien bonito limpieza.
Yes. Yung kundi enta yung sir, hospital ba kat este o hotel? Diba? So, it's something that we should be proud of because right now, Premier Medical Center is already here in Zamboanga City to serve our patients and also akal mga outpatients as well. So, siya kita mga clinics and siya kita different services available. Just please message Premier Medical Center o pwede naman ustedes man-call el hotline tali po na page. So, this has been your host, Badi, reminding you that at PMC, we don't just treat, we care. Keep safe, stay hydrated, and hasta la vista. Thank you so much. And thank you mga Badi. Bye.
Step inside where hope begins to rise.